We found Amelia Earhart. We are headed out to Justin's again. We're going to be doing some wiring. We're going to be putting the steering in. We're going to do the brakes, and we're going to hook up the clutch. Just enjoy the day. Your bolts are going to run right into this. He'll get twitchy if he don't know where his marker is. Look at this.
Okay, half-inch twisting.
It took forever to prove a fucking point to the redneck.
What can be red?
If I was going to say what color his neck was.
Yes, it could be red. If it were painted red.
You know it's tough when the dimples come out. Oh, there it is. That is a toughness indicator. He did ask me not to do anything sketchy.
Oh God, he's got a gun again.
I got a BB.
Hey, we're supposed to be putting brakes on and not take the windshield out. You got shit to get done. We're fucking around.
I really got frustrated by this whole experience.
I didn't choose the flip-flop life choice. Does that make any sense? If not, we'll show you. We found Amelia Earhart.
What?
Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, come on this side of the door. It was in there. We didn't put it there. We found Amelia Earhart. I think this was her pickup. I think this is what she used to, like, you know, get to the plane and shit. You know, like after she got lost, and then she was found and then got lost again. I think that's factually right. I could be horribly wrong, which I probably am 3,000% wrong. But regardless, it's still her truck. So if anybody ever finds her, it's hers. It's got her name on it. It's like Toy Story when he puts it on the bottom of the shoe. It says Andy. So if she ever comes that back missing from like on an island, then it's her truck. It's got her name on it. It will be funny if they find her. I want my truck. Find Amelia Earhart. You'd be a billionaire then. It'd be amazing.
Gasoline is really more valuable than you are.
It's about the feeling.
What the hell is this thing?
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really got it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper.
What we're doing right now is we're getting ready to mount up the Hydro Boost brakes. We're pulling out the brake pedal setup so we can actually build a bracket in there to get ourselves out wider. Right now the issue we're having is these holes right here are too close together, and this space right here we have around the neck is too small. So we got to widen ourselves up, so we got to widen that bracket spot out. I don't want to pull my pedal set, grubby boy over here. Fucking change the engine out, pulling the pedal set. That's a line drawer. Fucking
I hate fucking with dashing.
this is how you anger a redneck. Let's make it safe. Make sure the brakes work right. He'd rather have it sketch. That's rednecky. We're gonna machine the hole for the pedal thing, but the mounting of it, yeah, we'll just put bolts in it and cook it.
Thinking I might put the rubber spring on it.
What'd you break?
I'm putting shit back together and it's gonna bark.
He broke it. Clip. We might need a different fucking clutch master. Because how the hell are we going to integrate some weird locking system in there?
Well, I'll probably just cut a hole.
That's got to be the dumbest thing I've ever fucking seen.
It's gonna be a pain in the ass to cut, but I'll make it.
I don't think it's going to hold in there tight, man. You got weight on this? It's going to hang there? It's going to just try and twist.
That's what I had in the pickup I took it out of. That's all the hell was in that pickup.
And that's the purpose for it.
I'm aware, but we're about to add a 1/4-inch plate, and I'd like to mount it flush.
I was saying this is all before.
I'd be happier if we created our own nut that went onto the brake and then turned.
That sounds fine to me.
I mean, I guess that'll just be a problem we revisit later. Let's deal with problem A, brakes.
Are you sure about that?
The fucking motor is not in the same spot. Look at this.
Okay, half-inch twisting.
That took forever to prove a fucking point to the redneck. The tape measure doesn't even roll in. It's not a big deal, but it's a deal. That clamp mount was here. This would work. It'd be right about perfect, actually. Dodge, on the other hand, is like, hold my beer. and they basically put little U-joints. They're great to fucking adapt. That rag joint he's got up on the front, that right there is perfect. It's got the slip in here so this thing doesn't pierce your chest. Go right onto the bottom of your column with that. We are fucking in there like Flynn. Just use it backwards. Fucking amazing. He's got the right parts just laying around everywhere. Look at all the redneckery. This is one of like 5 barns, 6 barns just full of fucking parts. Fucking ridiculous. Yeah, rednecks. Hill family flip-flops. She was fucking making fun of me. I was like, yeah, I do everything in flip-flops. Right here doing all this shit. I didn't choose the flip-flop life choice. I honestly walk around fucking barefoot. Still shouldn't have moved it that much.
Forgiveness.
That's broken.
Because I want this. Don't try to stop me.
That one anyways.
Back up into it.
Don't try to stop me.
So right now the bracket and the bolt holes we're using, we're probably only going to use the 2 bolts on the right side. The other 2 we're going to end up moving. We need to readjust them for this bracket. Right now we're using them to actually attach the bracket to the plate so then we can not use those nuts anymore and then we can go where we want to go. Does that make any sense? If not, we'll show you. Oh yeah, it's right there by your drill. He'll get twitchy if he don't know where his marker is. You don't put his marker back, he get all, I don't know what to do.
Look out, he's got a gun again.
This is how we prepare the cow meat.
Erin, that this is not sketchy shit.
She did ask me not to do anything sketchy. I got a BB.
Hey, we're supposed to be putting brakes on, not take the windshield out.
You invest so much of your love and emotion and passion into this inanimate
This
object.
shit to get done. We're fucking around.
And then when it's treated for what it is, which is an inanimate object, you get kind of pissed.
Dimples come out. They get full suck in. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, there it is. That is a toughness indicator.
That's how you can tell what level will work.
Just shows up. See, it's only like 3/4 dimples. That only requires 3/4 pressure. When that bitch is sucked in all the way, that is some dangerous things happening. You break the drill bit?
Yeah.
I got it on video. Now, I want you to notice this shade of red because that is a neck. That's close. Okay, that's less tan. I mean, we're gonna measure things. Just saying, like, if I was gonna say like, what color his neck was, it would have to be red. I mean that in the nicest way too. It's dirty too, so he's a dirty redneck. Stupid, accurately correct strokes. Now, how far down does our bracket go? Are we here?
Just do this hole.
Because the ears don't go past. The ears stay up in here, don't they? And I'm thinking we just drilled 2 new holes on there. Yeah, so I think we just dictate, and then we'll fucking dictate where they need to go. Stupid question. You know how your fucking clutch comes out the other side? Why can't we just come off of this fucking side? Line almost up with these, right? Because we just need to steal the rod off the top of the other side. letting Cody drive the vet. He doesn't get to drive it very often. He's a little unfamiliar with it. I'm pretty comfortable. I actually like the way this is.